Dude, you play low.
Yes, sir.
You like it low, don't you?
It loves lows on the low power. Only 5,000 watts.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Did you tell me real quick your name and everything in here?
Yeah, so I'm Jondo. I got 4 VX F15s on only 2 2500s of Addictive audios at half ohm. We're only on 40 amp hour yin-long lithium on 1 300 amp hour or JS alternator. Yeah.
Okay.
That's about it.
What's your tunings?
It's 56 and 28.
Okay.
Only 5,000 watts.
Can I see the amp?
Yeah, you can go up and down there.
What are they wired to?
Half ohm.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walkthrough we just got of his system. Pretty impressive to see how low end response these subwoofers were putting out on this 2-song demo he's going to be giving to us. He showcased it at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2021, TDH show. Go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment. Let him know some positive things you like about his system. I really like the layout of the box. Really efficient to build a 6th order enclosure out of this. It's a 6th order because it has those 2 rear ports in the back, as well as a front chamber port where you can see the port right in front of the camera view right there. So the subwoofers are mounted up, so there is an inverted section underneath where there is a bottom chamber for the 6th order. And then 2 amplifiers at half ohm, so he's definitely getting all the power out of his amps. I wish I would have found out what his SPL score was. I didn't find out. Sorry about that. All I know is his tuning range was anywhere from the mid-20s into the mid-50 hertz range. And it was really musical response. You'll see on that second song during the demo you're going to get to that you notice he played down into probably 21, 22 hertz range on that low note that he played. And on these back ports on this enclosure, I didn't find out the exact length of them. They are tuned to 28 hertz. They're most likely 8-inch arrow ports, looking at the subwoofer cone area ratio to port area ratio. So that makes this system a 6th order enclosure with 5,000 watts on 415s. Gonna go ahead and get to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos and enjoy this.
All right.
This song right here is 18.
Is it louder with this up or down?
Aye, aye, Captain! I can hear you! Aye, Captain! Competition lanes will never be the same. It's DJ Rustical. Hold up the data, load a 22 and take it to the bottom. Guess I'm about it, move it, but not a single second. Chevrolet, you wanna do the month of cheap. Son of a bitch, listen to a rapper who can tell a story like working on mix, fuck the chart thing. You ought to do it simply cause I'm made that way. When the neighborhood, they got the wolf man. Cause I'm proud of you. None of them are going to be. Trust the motherfucking boom.
Dude, you play low.
Yes, sir.
You like it low, don't you?
I love lows on low power.